Xonsh is a shell language and command prompt that is based on Python. It has extra features that make it easy to work with sub-processes, the environment, and the file system. Xonsh works on all major systems including Linux, OS X, and Windows. It is a superset of Python 3.6 Plus with additional shell primitives. Xonsh lets you easily mix Python and shell commands in a powerful and simplified approach to the command line. You can use Python code and import modules in the Xonsh language, and combine Python with shell commands. The Xonsh RC file is the run control file that is used to configure the shell environment. It is executed every time a new shell is started, and it can be used to set environment variables, define aliases, and run other shell scripts. Xonsh customization can be obtained with a pip installable RC created by forking the contrib RC awesome repository. The link is available in the description. All the plugins will be installed automatically during pip install. After installing the RC with pip, you just need to edit the Xonsh RC file as shown in this video. The shell command contrib list allows you to list the installed plugins, which are extensions that enhance the functionality of the shell. To open a Xonsh shell in Vim, you can use Vim Flow Term plugin, and interact with the shell in a new terminal window, without leaving Vim. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.